Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will answer a very important question for web developers. Will AI replace web developers? The honest answer is no, not completely. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a full replacement for web developers. AI can speed up web development, but developers still guide the solution. And that is the key point. Web development is not just about writing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Real web development includes user requirements, user experience, design decisions, business logic, front-end architecture, back-end integration, security, performance, testing, deployment, and final decision making. So the future is not web developer versus AI. The future is web developer plus AI. Now let's first understand what AI can help web developers with. AI can generate boilerplate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For example, it can quickly create a navbar, landing page section, login form, card layout, pricing table, or responsive footer. AI can explain code. If you are working on an existing project and you see unfamiliar code, AI can explain what that code does in simple words. AI can suggest bug fixes. For example, if your layout is broken, a button is not working, or JavaScript is throwing an error, AI can suggest possible causes and fixes. AI can also suggest responsive layout ideas. It can help make a page look better on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. AI can generate components. For example, in React, Angular, Vue, or plain JavaScript, AI can create reusable UI components from your prompt. AI can help write test cases. It can suggest unit test, UI test scenarios, and edge cases. AI can also help with the documentation and debugging ideas. So yes, AI saves time. It helps web developers build faster, debug faster, test faster, and learn faster. But here is the important truth. AI helps with the speed, but web developers provide judgment. Web developers still understand user requirements. AI cannot fully understand what the user needs unless the developer explains it clearly. In real projects, requirements are often incomplete or changing. A developer must ask the right questions and decide what should actually be built. Web developers still make UX and design decisions. AI can generate a page layout, but the developer must check whether the design is clear, accessible, responsive, and user-friendly. A beautiful page is not enough. The page must be easy to use. It must work well on different screen sizes. It must load fast, and it must guide the user toward the right action. Web developers still handle business logic. For example, validation rules, checkout rules, user permissions, form behavior, dashboard calculations, and workflow rules. AI can generate code, but the developer must verify whether the logic matches the real business requirement. Web developers still design architecture. They decide how components should be structured. They decide how state should be managed. They decide how front-end and back-end should communicate. They decide how reusable, maintainable, and scalable the application should be. Web developers still handle security. They must protect forms, tokens, user data, authentication flows, API calls, and sensitive information. AI-generated code may look correct, but it can still introduce security risks. So the developer must review it carefully. Web developers still optimize performance. A page may work in development, but will it load fast for real users? Will images be optimized? Will JavaScript bundles be too large? Will the app work smoothly on mobile devices? These things need developer experience. Web developers also work with APIs and integrations. AI can suggest API call code, request structures, and integration examples. But developers must handle real API errors, loading states, authentication, data mapping, and final integration testing. Web developers also handle deployment and production. AI can suggest build steps, hosting options, and deployment commands. But developers still decide release strategy, environment configuration, monitoring, rollback plans, and production fixes. Now let's look at real-world examples. Example 1. Landing page development. AI can generate layout ideas, suggest hero text, and create starter, HTML, and CSS. But the developer must understand brand goals, improve UX, check accessibility, and approve the final design. Example 2. E-commerce website. AI can create component code, suggest product page layouts, and write test cases. But the developer must handle payments safely, build business rules, and optimize performance. Example 3. Admin dashboard. AI can generate dashboard components, explain code, and refactor repeated code. But the developer must choose useful metrics, connect APIs correctly, and protect sensitive data. Example 4. Full stack web application. AI can scaffold front-end and back-end code, suggest API structures, and generate documentation ideas. But the developer must design architecture, debug real issues, and deploy the application to production. So the pattern is very clear. AI boosts speed. Humans ensure quality. AI gives suggestions. Developers make decisions. AI can create code quickly. But developers check whether the solution is correct, secure, accessible, scalable, and maintainable. Now let's talk about the future. A web developer who ignores AI may become slower. But a web developer who learns AI tools can build faster, debug faster, test faster, and learn faster. However, using AI does not mean blindly copying and pasting code. That is risky. AI-generated code can have bugs. It can miss edge cases. It can create accessibility problems. It can generate insecure code. And sometimes it can produce code that works for a demo but fails in a real project. So the best approach is simple. Use AI as an assistant. Ask clear prompts. Review the output. Test the code. Improve the solution. And keep building strong web development fundamentals. Web skills still matter. Problem solving still matters. Architecture still matters. UX and accessibility still matter. Domain knowledge still matters. And learning AI tools is no longer optional. So the final answer is this. AI will not replace web developers completely. But web developers using AI will have a big advantage over developers who ignore AI.